Hello, today I'm going to make a herb planter, a three-step herb planter. So you can see here we have built one. So basically what we have done is there's a three-step, 1, 2, 3 with a 16-inch long and a 4-inch depth. We have made a herb planter. And if you see around, you can see it's all good. We have attached a balance so that this stick does not move, and then it's all balanced nicely. Let me rotate it. You can see here the curve is cut neat, and then it balances. You can adjust your height of the step. We have kept it around 3 inches so that the plant, if it grows, it comes out. The beauty of this is you can keep 2 or 3 finger gap here. That way, if this herb comes up, it doesn't get blocked by this, and it grows nicely. And then it's very light. You can see here it's very light. You can move it around. If in the winter you want to keep it inside or in your basement, all that you can do. For the herb planter, do it yourself, we need 3 picket fence of 6 by 4 nails that are required to hammer it in. Then you need a hammer, you need a Roby circular saw or any other brand that you have, you can use that. And then you need a measuring tape to make sure you can measure and expand. Then you need 2 long 4 feet or 5 feet or 3 feet or 5 feet depending on how you want the height of the planter to be, and a pencil. We have made 3 boxes, so you can see here 1 of each, 16 inches and 4 feet. So now what we are going to do is we are going to attach them together. The 3 boxes are ready, 1, 2, 3. Now we are going to attach them. So to give stand to the herb planter, we have taken a 4 feet stick, and we are going to cut it into 2 pieces at 2 feet. So here, cut this at 2 feet. So we are putting a stand. We have already nailed one. Now the other nail we are going to put it right over here so that this nail goes in like this. So it's going to be something like this. So now what we have to do is we have to give an angle from here, and we're going to give this much gap at the bottom so that if any water drenches or you're putting in a lawn, it's empty and there's a space over here. So we have cut 2 side stands for the side at an angle of around 50 degree from the top and also from the bottom. That way when it goes, one attaches to the string, another is flat on the ground. So we are going to take this angle. One we are just adjusting it to make sure the angles are good. Take the other one, and then the side that we have cut in, put it like this. So we have made this. The last nail that we have to put in is over here, which actually this gives us a gap, and then we have this. So now with force from this side, just keep pushing in. So the DIY herb planter is ready. You can see the last thing that we have to do is put a stick between this area. So a stick can be anything. You can take this, for example, and put it here so that there's a balance over here and this does not shake. So we've attached something here. And remember, this is going to be around 2 feet or a little less than 2 feet. So depending on the size, you can adjust that. The DIY planter ready. We might see as you put soil, it might get loose. So we will just put a couple of nails here, here, here to make sure that it is strong. So we're going to put this stand at the balance, which is 17 inch, which I've cut. It is 17 inch. So here you can see 17 inch. What it does is it gives it balance, and then this will not shake. So the final product is ready. This is our DIY. So we have this stand, we have this vertical to hold it, and it's this. And then again, the same way here, this. We talked about giving a stand over here. Now you can paint it, you can brush it, sandpaper it to make it soft. But if you're going to keep it outside, you don't have to worry. It looks all good.